What's the most heartbreaking thing you've overheard someone say about you? I overheard a conversation between my mom and grandmother when I was a teenager. I was pretending to be asleep, and my mom said, "She's so desperate for love and attention. I'm worried she's going to get knocked up or end up with someone bad." My mom literally never said "I love you" to me in my life. I once asked her for a hug, and she told me she found it disgusting to touch me. I told her I needed to feel loved, and her response was, "I thought you'd have a boyfriend by now." When I overheard that conversation, I wanted to run out of the room and scream in her face. I had been begging her to even slightly fulfill her role as a parent, and her takeaway was that I was fucking desperate for attention. I moved out, and my life has been much better after that.